wondered why some people remain calm under pressure while others struggle with stress? The secret often lies in their ability to breathe, move, and be present. Today, we'll explore simple yet powerful exercises like yoga, meditation, and breathing techniques that can transform your mental health. These practices offer tools to enhance mental clarity, reduce stress, and promote emotional well-being in a chaotic world. In a world that's constantly on the move, where deadlines loom and the pressure to perform is ever present, it's easy to forget about self-care. But what if just a few minutes each day could drastically improve your mental health? These simple exercises have been proven to bring about significant mental health benefits. Let's explore how yoga, meditation, and breathing exercises can become your go-to practices for a healthier, happier mind. Yoga is an ancient practice that's become a modern-day phenomenon, and it's more than just a trend. Yoga combines physical movement, breath control, and mindfulness. The beauty of yoga lies in its accessibility. You don't need to be a seasoned athlete or have a flexible body to start practicing yoga. It's designed to meet you exactly where you are, whether you're a beginner or someone who's been practicing for years. One of the most profound aspects of yoga is its ability to reconnect you with your body. Many of us live in our heads, constantly thinking, planning, and worrying. Yoga encourages us to shift our focus inward, pay attention to our bodies, and move with intention. Simple poses like child's pose, which gently stretches the lower back and hips, or the flowing sequence of a sun salutation, which warms up the entire body, can have a grounding effect. These movements are not just about stretching muscles. They're about creating a sense of stability and calm within. Yoga is not only about moving your body, but also regulating your breath. This combination of movement and breath control has a powerful impact on the nervous system. It activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for the body's rest and digest response, lowering cortisol levels, the stress hormone, and promoting relaxation. Yoga's mindfulness aspect helps reduce anxiety, improve mood, and increase feelings of well-being. Meditation, another powerful practice, has gained popularity for its mental health benefits. Often thought of as sitting quietly and doing nothing, meditation is much more than that. It's an active practice of training the mind to focus and become more aware. One of the simplest forms of meditation is focusing on your breath. This might sound easy, but it can be surprisingly challenging, especially in the beginning. Our minds are constantly busy, filled with thoughts, worries, and distractions. The practice of meditation is about gently bringing your focus back to the breath, again and again. This act of returning to the breath trains your mind to stay present, let go of distractions, and find calm in the midst of chaos. Meditation has been shown to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, while improving focus, memory, and emotional regulation. Regular practice can lead to long-term changes in the brain, improving areas related to attention, self-awareness, and compassion. For those who struggle to sit still or find themselves pressed for time, breathing exercises offer an excellent alternative or complement to meditation. These controlled breathing techniques can quickly calm the nervous system and reduce stress, making them a powerful tool for enhancing mental health. One popular breathing exercise is the 4-7-8 technique, which involves inhaling deeply through the nose for a count of 4, holding the breath for a count of 7, and then exhaling slowly through the mouth for a count of 8. This method helps to increase the oxygen flow to your body and promotes relaxation, effectively reducing anxiety levels. Another effective exercise is diaphragmatic breathing, often referred to as belly breathing. This technique encourages you to breathe deeply into the diaphragm rather than taking shallow breaths into the chest. By engaging your diaphragm, you can create a fuller breath that helps release tension and promotes a sense of calm. These breathing exercises work by activating the parasympathetic nervous system, just like yoga does. By slowing down your breath and directing your focus to it, you can help shift your body from a state of stress to one of relaxation. This shift can be especially beneficial in situations where you feel overwhelmed or anxious. The beauty of these exercises is that you can practice them anywhere, at any time, whether you're at work, stuck in traffic, or winding down before bed. Taking just a few moments to engage in focused breathing can provide immediate relief, making it an accessible and effective way to manage stress and improve your overall mental well-being. By incorporating these simple techniques into your daily routine, you can cultivate a greater sense of peace and balance in your life. You might be wondering, this all sounds great, but does it really work? The answer is yes. Studies have shown that regular practice of yoga, meditation, and breathing exercises can lead to significant improvements in mental health. These practices have been shown to lower cortisol levels, increase serotonin production, and improve overall brain function.
This is Dr. Jenny Byrne. Why is exercise so important for your mental health? Your brain is an organ. Your brain is an organ the same way as your heart is an organ. How do organs get the nutrients they need? The brain has blood vessels going all throughout it the same way that other organs in your body do. Getting good oxygen through good breathing. All of this helps get blood to your brain, which gets oxygen to your brain. If you're able to exercise out in nature, that gives you the added benefit of being in nature, which I think also is really good for your mental health.
If you're finding this content helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more valuable content like this to help you on your journey to better mental health. So, why do these simple exercises have such a profound impact on mental health? The answer lies in their ability to connect the mind and body. When we engage in yoga, meditation, or controlled breathing, we're not just working on our physical selves. We're also nurturing our mental and emotional well-being. These practices encourage us to slow down, be present, and listen to our bodies. Over time, this fosters resilience, emotional stability, and a deeper connection to ourselves and others. Remember that question I asked at the beginning? The reason some people seem to handle stress better isn't just about their circumstances or personality. It's about the simple, consistent practices they incorporate into their daily lives. They've made a commitment to take care of their mental health, just as they would their physical health. So, what's stopping you from doing the same? Start today, even if it's just with a few minutes of deep breathing, a short yoga session, or a brief meditation. Your mind will thank you. If you've enjoyed this video and want to learn more about improving your mental health through simple, everyday practices, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your journey to better mental health starts here. So, take a deep breath, roll out that yoga mat, and let's get started.